having a blizzard right now. And I'm blogging in it. Look how bad it is already. See? We're in blizzard number 2. We're in blizzard number 2. Look at tree. Oh my god, I'm gonna hug it. Alright, wrong way. Alright. So we're in blizzard number 2. I figured I'd come out here again and blog. We're getting hit pretty bad. As you can see, I'm wearing my bear hat. Keeps me warm. Because you know, like in Minnesota, yeah, keeps you warm, the bear. Well, I don't think Minnesota's symbol of warm is bear, but I hope this is aiming at me. We're gonna do a slide. Ready? Ready? Slide! Yeah! That's how you slide in the snow of a blizzard. Look at the snowbank over there. It's like blocking my way to walk. But that was probably there already, so yeah, there's how bad it is out there, as you can see. Woo! So yeah, I made another video like this, blogging. Yeah, I'm blogging! Wave to the camera, sir. He's got a snowblower. I think he's gonna help out with all the snow around here. Well, I'm gonna slide. I'm gonna slide down this hill. I'm gonna slide down this hill. Forgive me if I shake the camera a lot. It's because I'm freaking out of control. I'm just joking, I'm not. Let's go. Let's slide. Woo! Yeah! That's how you slide. Oh my god, I'm cold. Oh jeez. My pants are all full of snow. Let's keep walking. You guys having fun? You guys are in a blizzard. If you haven't been in snow, now you have. So now you know what it's like to be in a blizzard. Because when you watch this, you're in a blizzard. It's fun. It's a blast. Just gotta be wild. Hey, maybe the news people will take this and see how bad it is over in this area. Whew. My pants are falling down. I couldn't get my pants on. See, this is a fail. See? Couldn't get it on all the way, so I said, screw it. So, alright, look at that. See, I made tracks. This is all pure snow. I messed it up. It's not straightened out anymore. Ugh. Yeah. Look, you guys, I think there's a guy looking at me. You guys see him on the second floor? He's staring at me. He or she. I'm scared. Just kidding. So, yeah, here's a quick video. Ooh, I'm gonna slide down this hill. Should I? One more time. Please don't be bumpy. Please don't be bumpy. This might hurt. I don't want to get up. I'm just joking, I should, because it's cold as hell outside. My pants are falling down. Yo, what's up? Pants on the ground, pants on the ground. Don't worry, I have another pair of pants under there. Well, that was fun. Did you guys have fun? Yay! It's not snowing as bad right now. But it was earlier, so believe me, we're in a blizzard, alright? Alright, guys. Here. Oh. I fell down. Alright, guys. That was fun in the blizzard, too. Because I have a video on my main channel that I did once. You can check it out. Okay.